Are ready for challenges. Hi. Where's the super truck team needed? Let's check it out. Construction. Hi. Excavator. Trip. Super truck team, let's set off. A train station needs to be built here. Truck team, can you complete this task? No problem. Super truck team, let's get to work. I'm the bulldozer. I can clean up the mess on the ground. I'm a concrete mixer. I'm here to lay the concrete. Road roller, compact the road until it is level. I'm a dump truck. I'll help lay the stones first. I'm the excavator, and I'll lay the tracks first. I need to attach it. Let's lay the ties now. Ooh. The ties can secure the rails by supporting them. Then assemble the rails. Rails are completed. We can hoist the train on the rails. What a stylish train station! Thank you so much.